If there's a baking trend to know about, it is how to get the swirly bright colored frosting to make a unicorn treat. This cake takes it over the top, and all you need is to master one piping technique, plus some design shortcuts. Betheny Tomseth is here with a trend we can't get enough of. Okay, Bethany, are unicorns here to stay? Because when I see this cake and that donut and those cupcakes, I am praying they are. These are so precious.
I hope so, because they're so stinking cute. I think unicorns have been around for a long time, probably since the 80s. They were really big. I think they're making a comeback, and I think they're here to stay.
They're so fun, and like you said, I mean, what a fun treat. Do girls ever get sick of this pink, purple, blue, gray? I mean, and boys too, just so fun with the glitter. I love this. Fun. Okay, so I walk into this and I think, I'm so intimidated. You gotta show me where to start here.
Okay, super, super easy. Like you said, it's like one piping technique. So you're gonna frost your cake, and you're gonna make a really clean, you know, white cake, or pink, whatever you want. And then the piping tip that I use the most is the Wilted 1M tip. Basically, it's a large star tip. You can do different techniques with the hair. You can do like little bangs coming down, but the most popular one right now is the cute little rosette hair. It's so stinking cute. And
okay, show us how you do this.
You know what, before I start on the hair, I'm gonna put my unicorn horn in.
Okay,
and
so
my
first
ears,
up, unicorn horn and ears.
because it helps you space out all the hair. So what I'm gonna do is show you the unicorn first. So we've got fondant for the unicorn horn, and this is what it looks like, this cute little guy. Isn't that
pretty darn
stinking
precious?
cute?
Yes, it is.
It can be a little bit tricky when you're trying to handle it all together, but all you're gonna do is you're gonna take some fondant, and you're gonna roll it into a rope here. You want a thick end down here and a thin end here. You want it to kind of make a cone shape. Okay, and so you roll it just like that, and you roll two of them. I have two of them right here.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna take a stick, like a dowel or a skewer, and then you're gonna pinch these ends together. You're gonna put it on the skewer, and you're just gonna wrap them around the skewer.
Wow, that actually is a little easier than I would think it.
Right?
The end product does not seem like it would be this easy to do. That is really cute.
I know, and that's what I love about coming on here and showing people how easy it really is.
Because it's so intimidating, and then you see you do it. And then this is a little paint.
This is where like the fun stuff comes in.
Yes, it is.
So this is edible luster dust. I've got some there to show you. And I've mixed it with some clear vanilla extract or some lemon. It's right here. It's antique gold is my favorite gold. So I'm gonna paint it. And I'm gonna go all the way down. I'm just gonna kind of half paint this one for time's sake. And look at it, changes it so much. And then the disco dust is where it really like shines. There is glitter everywhere in your kitchen.
This is where the magic comes into the unicorn, people.
So you just kind of like put it all over. So we've got one done here. Okay, we're gonna take our little guy, and then we're gonna put it in the top. Okay, and that kind of helps with our spacing there.
Okay, this helps us proportion everything else, right?
That's okay, yeah.
Okay,
and then
so we've got the ears.
Yes, we're gonna make some cute ears. All I did with the little ears, I rolled out some fondant, and then I took I have like these leaf cookie cutters, and so I cut out two little leaves, and then I cut out two little teardrops, but you can use an X-Acto knife and just freehand it.
Perfect.
It's really, really easy.
Yeah.
So I cut out those, laid them on top of each other. I put the toothpicks in here, and I did the same thing with the unicorn horn. I painted this center, and then I had to add the gold again.
Perfect.
Again,
yeah, you gotta have the gold. Gotta have the glitter.
So
we need the bling for this unicorn. So then we stick in the ears.
Just stick in the ears, and there's where you kind of get your spacing for all of your hair. Right?
Okay.
So now she's ready. Now she's ready. And
so
then,
are we gonna do the rosette?
Yes, we're gonna do the rosette. So here's our big tip. I wanna do like a magenta and electric purple unicorn. This has all kinds of colors in this one, but let's do like a purple and pink one, because who doesn't love purple and pink? So you're gonna take your tip, and you're gonna start in the center and squeeze, 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 and then you're just gonna go in a circle. And look at, you've got her cute little center rosette there. How cute is that?
That is so sweet, and really quite easy. I mean, it's really just a swirl.
Just a swirl. And so you're gonna do big swirls, like kind of like, get your big swirls spaced out, and then we're gonna fill it in. And then we're gonna start going down the side here.
Kind of for the mane,
do you wanna start, you wanna do a swirl? Just anywhere you want, kind of, because we're bringing the mane down.
Am I swirling it kind of over?
Yeah, just squeeze as hard as you can, and do a little swirl. There you go.
Like
perfect.
Well, I don't know if it's perfect,
It
people,
is perfect.
but you know, we're
Look
doing
at that.
it.
You really can't mess up.
You know what? You
can't.
If I can do this, you can do this at home.
Okay, so I have another tip. This is like an Ateco 834 or 864, I believe. And it's like a little French tip. And it's just like a different, you know, a different
that's
little
pretty
look.
sweet.
So we've got these little guys here, and you just fill them in, just squeeze those piping bags. I have another star tip where I've got some electric purple. It's the same star tip. So we're just making different color swirls, and see, look at how fast this is coming together.
Fun.
Someone asked me how long this took. I'm like 5 minutes.
Which is crazy because when I saw the cake at first, I thought, oh goodness, we are not. That's like a day and a half. Well, I'm actually kind of proud of myself. I will let you all know.
You should be.
Who knew? A hidden talent.
Look at that. I've also got a large round tip, just for different different texture, stuff like that. And I can do cute little like dollops here and here, and bring that mane down. It's just the cutest thing ever.
It
right?
really is, and just the large tip makes such a difference in how these look. It makes it easy. It kind of takes the guesswork out and is a little bit more forgiving.
Yeah.
So and where can we find out more about this? If people want to finish this out, where can we find you?
Okay, so I have a YouTube channel I'm so excited about.
Great.
It's Cake Happens on YouTube, and I'll show you how to do the cute little eyes. Aren't they the sweetest eyes you've ever seen
They're
in your
really quite
life?
sweet.
Oh, I teach you how to
precious.
do those. You just freehand them out of fondant, super easy. And then I also have 2 bonus videos on how to do unicorn cupcakes. Are you kidding me right now?
I know.
And a unicorn donut. And the easy thing about the cupcakes and the donut is that I store-bought these. I did not spend time making it because, I mean, I'm already making a cake. So I bought the cupcakes, I bought the donuts, and I had leftover frosting, bam, make some teeny tiny little horns and ears, done.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Bethany. These are just precious.